ሰላም፣ ይህ ግዕዝ ቴክ ነው።
My father, Alex Mason, gave up everything he had. He abandoned me so he could defend his country from people like you. I hated him for that. But now...
Secure the building. Secure the building. Move in! Go!
Scout every inch of the vault, sir. Except this room.
Safety's on, dipshit.
Hey, old man. Was Raul Menendez here today?
Sergeant Woods. Raul Menendez is the leader of Cortes Dia, and the most dangerous terrorist since Osama bin Laden. Fucking waste of time. Guy's a vegetable.
Back off! All he said was, mi hermana. That's Spanish for sister, dipshit. You boys better get your shit together. He's gonna attack.
If you have information about a threat to national security, you gotta tell us.
Turn the camera on. Your old man. He's doing okay in Alaska. Fucking Hudson showed up.
Dad, I'm scared. I need help.
You're 7 years old, David. Stop acting like a baby.
I hate you.
David, wait!
Go back to the army, like you did when Mom died.
Lieutenant Colonel North, NSC. You already know Jason Hudson.
What are you doing here?
Yesterday, Sergeant Woods led a covert team to take on an arms smuggling ring in Angola. This morning, we lost contact.
So go get him, CIA. Why are you here? Castro and the Russians are all over Angola. We can't go in. The CIA have buried the mission. Woods and his squad no longer exist.
We got whatever you need, Mason. Name it.
David can stay with Jenny, like before. She loves having him. He'll be fine.
Dad, you said you'd never go back to the army. You promised me.
It's Uncle Woods, son. He'd do it for me. They found where I was being held prisoner with a spy satellite.
One of them KH-9s was babying. Shits out a film canister 12 miles up. The C-130 comes by, snags it at about 30,000 feet. This was not the digital age. This film had to be processed, analyzed, and delivered, all by hand. Our dog in the fight, this guy named Jonas Savimbi. You think I'm fucking nuts? Not this guy.
Savimbi, you gotta help! Right, damn it!
The fire finished him. Sometimes it's too late to save a man. We must move out before we join him in death. The water fire means the MPLA is ready for attack. If they want a fight, we give them a fight! Move out!
Mason, you copy?
Go ahead, Hudson!
MPLA forces advancing on your position about 1 click north.
Hey, we know! Savimbi's leading a countercharge!
He's got balls on your back.
What about Woods? Do we have confirmation on his location?
They've been moving him from one location to another. We expect Savimbi's men to report back soon.
The motors have stopped!
Tem um inimigo!
Here they come! Here they come, my brothers! Fight, my brothers! Target the motor cruise! They're behind the rocks!
They got T-62 tanks in support. We need you to take the heat off.
Mason, I'll provide air support on your word.
Take out the tanks, Hudson!
Beginning a strafing run. Damn it, I'm taking fire from the ground. Sooner or later, one of them is going to get electrocuted.
Nice work, Hudson. There's a couple of MG trucks targeting you.
I can't make another pass till you take out those MG trucks.
I'm doing them.
trucks are down! You clear, Hudson?
Waiting on your go, Mason. Okay, coming around again.
There's heavy armor still out there!
Shit, Mason. Straight fire took out the chopper gun. I can't make another run.
Come, my friend! Climb aboard, Mason! They are weak! We must finish them! Our journey to victory has begun! Death to the MPLA!